Hello there. Today on the review is a device that I've been dreaming about for a long time. This is a portable vacuum cleaner that takes up a minimum of space, allows you to constantly maintain the frequency in the cabin and clean as easily as possible after work. In this video we will analyze all the functionality of this device and of course consider its nuances. The configuration is as follows. The vacuum cleaner itself, a case for careful storage, a USB Type-C wire for charging, an extension cord for hard-to-reach places with a retractable brush and documentation. The first thing I would like to note during a detailed inspection is, of course, ergonomics. You can easily put it in a cup holder, for example, during charging. There are two keys on the case. One is turning off the flashlight, there is also a blinking mode. By the way, thanks to the protective cover with a magnetic ring on the base, it allows the vacuum cleaner to be fixed more securely. But I must say right away, the weight of the vacuum cleaner does not stand up, it is only an additional fixation and thus we can let it turn on and look for something in the cabin. The on/off key is located next to it. With one press, the first speed turns on, with the second press, the maximum speed and the third turns off the vacuum cleaner. There are also indicators displaying the charge, an air outlet on the sides, and a Type-C input is hidden under the handle in order to charge the battery. Now turn the lid and the device is ready to work. To install the extension cord, we just need to fix it with a slight movement of the hand, and by pressing the brush lock button, we can install it or, on the contrary, remove it. In order to clean the container, it is enough for us to simply turn it and we have full access to the filter and the grid. We shake out the contents of the container. We can also disassemble the mesh, separate it from the filter and rinse it thoroughly with warm water for the next use. Well, now, probably, let's put everything together and check how the vacuum cleaner works in practice. Turn on the vacuum cleaner and start cleaning the cabin. We see that even at first speed he copes with crumbs with a bang. Fortunately, after traveling 4,000 kilometers with a child, there are plenty of them here. And we will be able to check with you how much the vacuum cleaner can work on a full charge. As for the characteristics, the battery is 2200 mAh, the electric power is 100 watts, the operating time at speed is reduced to 20 minutes, at speed up to 13 minutes. The total charging voltage is 5 volts and 1.8 amperes. The charging time according to the application is 3 hours, and the weight is 570 grams so, after cleaning the cabin, we disassemble the container to look at the condition of the filter and mesh. Large particles and debris were also overpowered by the pump and this cannot but please. The filter, of course, is a little dusty and to clean it according to the instructions, it is recommended to rinse it under a warm stream of water, which of course I will do at home. By the way, this is a HEPA filter. It prevents the repeated release of small dust particles into the air, of course, during the operation of the vacuum cleaner. That's just at the moment I went to the official website of NAVITEL and did not see their spare ones. That is, it will probably be necessary to send an official letter with a request. And if you are interested, of course, I will write an answer in the comments under this video. Well, now it's time to sum up. A vacuum cleaner with interior cleaning copes 100% both with and without a nozzle. Collects even large particles of sand, and the charge was enough for me to clean the entire interior of the Mazda 6. Even taking into account the fact that I alternated first speed and second speed, the vacuum cleaner worked for 21 minutes, although it is stated that it only works up to 20 minutes at first speed. And of course, how long it took me to charge, I will write in the comments and in the description under this video because I haven't charged it yet. Well, in my opinion, it turned out to be a very good product both in terms of functionality, usability and, of course, price. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you and if so, then support with a like and a comment. Good luck to everyone on the roads.